Hold your breath and we may find it might come true on a starry, starry night.
So, iba-bluetooth natin yung music. Pinindot ko lang tong bluetooth. Ayan o. Nag-bluetooth na siya. Galing, di ba?
Hi everyone, I'm Andy, your favorite cover girl, and I'm gonna cover something from Donna Cruz. Yeah, so merong mapakaganda nakakakilig na movie noong 90s, and I think ito yung theme song niya. Let's go, guys. There's a star in the sky tonight, and it trembles like my heart, and in this world so far, my heart would never lie. I can feel you want me to. And if that star should fall, then baby, here's what we should do. Hold your breath and we may find it might come true on a starry, starry night. Wish, look into my eyes and reach out for that dream. It's there for me and you. Alaala pa ng sinabi mo nung nadarama pang pag-ibig ha. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, dadalhin hanggang langit ay hinday. Manibago ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Yung set up ko! Walang dadalhin lang pala ng hangin. Oo na, mamaya ka na lumaba. Okay, Luna Bon. Pangarap ko. Wait lang, Luna. Hello po, ito po yung gagawin po nating red sound card. Na-testing ko na po siya, okay naman po.